Welcome to Kitchen Hub. Today's recipe is Arabic-style mutton mandi. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let's start to make mutton mandi. In a large pot, boil the water, then add the pieces of mutton. I am using 2 kilograms of mutton. Cook the mutton until the mutton is tender, which may take about 30 to 40 minutes. Remove the foam or a wastage on top of the boiling water. Then add the whole masalas, given in the description. Add 3 tablespoons of salt. Then add 3 pieces of Maggi cube. If you add the Maggi cube, you will get a nice flavor and taste. In the same water, I'm using to cook the mandi rice. After 40 minutes, remove the cooked mutton from the pot. Then prepare the marination for cooked mutton. Toast the 5 grams of saffron. Then add a half cup of hot water. Add 2 tablespoons of mandi masala, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, a half cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of food color. Then mix it well. Place the cooked mutton into the oven tray. Then brush the prepared marination to the cooked mutton for both sides. Then put it in an oven to OOC for 10 minutes. Let's make a mandi rice. In a pot, add 3 tablespoons of fresh ghee. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then add the whole masalas. Add the 2 pieces of chopped onion. Sauté until the onion turns light brown color. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then pour the same boiled water, 6 cups of water for 3 cups of basmati rice. Then add 2 tablespoons of mandi masala. Add washed and drained basmati rice. Mix it slowly, do not break the rice. Then bring to boil the rice. Check the salt. If it is less than, add the salt. Once the rice is boiled, 80%, add some food color on top of the rice. Place the charcoal on top of the rice. Add some oil or ghee into the charcoal. Then cover the pan and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes in a low flame. After 10 minutes, remove the mutton from the oven. Place the charcoal on the side of mutton. Then, pour oil or ghee into the charcoal. Then cover the tray and let it keep for 5 minutes. After 25 minutes, our mandi rice is ready to serve. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video update. Mandi masala ingredients given below in the description. Thank you for watching.